Hello there, I'm Mandy. I'm just preparing my station here because I thought it would be fun if we could make some beautiful flavoured waters. You know how I always talk about eating the rainbow? Well, today we're going to drink the rainbow. Come on down, let's cook together. All right, down here I've got some lovely raspberries, some strawberries, which I'd have to chop the tops off, and some blueberries. I thought they'd be a really nice berry combination. Then I've got some lemon and some mandarin, which I can peel and chop and squeeze into the water. And then the last combination I'm going to do is some mint and some honey, which is quite unique, but I think it'll also be delicious. I've got this glass jar here, so just a normal vessel, and I'm going to fill it up with some water. Ooh, I love this beautiful sound. All right, let's start with the berries, shall we? I'm going to chop off a few tops. And what's happening when we cut it as well is we're actually cutting into the cells within the strawberry, so some of the flavors will come out a little bit better. Pop them in. You can hear it plop. And pop a few berries in. And I think if you left this over time, oh look, they're coming down. They're quite heavy, they're frozen. And then a few little berries, raspberries. And they might, oh look at that. Ooh, oh look, can you see some of the colour of the blueberries coming off? I wonder what happened if I leave that for a little while. Oh, when I look closely, I can actually see there is a little bit of a change of colour. But look how beautiful that they're going as up and down. It's quite relaxing actually. All right, next flavour. Let's do the lemon and the mandarin. I have to peel off the mandarin skin. I might only do about half of that. Look how juicy that is. I might actually squeeze that in a little bit into the bottle. Oh, can you see it coming down? Beautiful. Then I'll cut up a little bit of the lemon as well. Always remember your tiger claw, so you don't chop your fingies off. Pop them. Squeeze a bit of juice. Ooh. And the lemon goes up, and in this one you can actually see some of the fruit and the pith because I squeezed it. It's in there, not changing colour as such. I wonder what it will taste like. Delicious, I'm sure. All right, last but not least, let's try the mint. Now mint is a herb that grows in your garden. This one, oh, I can smell it. I'm going to pop that in. Often people drink mint as like peppermint tea. It's quite good to help your food digest. And then we might just drizzle a wee bit of honey. Ooh. Oh, Oh, look at that, that's so pretty. Definitely will need to shake that around to get the honey to come up and infuse our water. So beautiful. All right, let me just clear up this station and I'll bring it down close to you so we can give these beautiful flavoured waters a try. And here we are. We've got the mint and honey. Yummy. We've got the citrus combination with lemon and mandarin. Very refreshing. And the berry combination with the raspberries, blueberries and strawberries. I wonder which one you might try. I think I'm going to try the citrus one. Can see a little bit of it inside. Let's see what it tastes like. I wonder what it's going to taste like. I can see the little bits in there. It might be more lemony or more mandarin-y. I'm not sure. Let's see. It's pretty refreshing. A wee hint of the mandarin, but definitely more lemon. I wonder what it tastes like with strawberries in it as well. I bet that would be delicious. There's so many different flavour combinations that you could make. Just have to have a little bit of an imagination in the kitchen and create something magical and delicious. Thank you so much for cooking together with me today. I'll see you next time. Bye.